Hello everyone, welcome back to our new exciting outdoor adventure. Today we are going back to the secret river spot to catch some fresh crayfish. The weather today is absolutely perfect for setting up our fishing traps. If you remember our last video, the crayfish we caught were incredibly delicious. My mouth is still watering just thinking about that amazing seafood feast. That is why we decided to come back here with bigger plans and more cages. Let us look at the water condition today before we start placing our gear. This side of the river has very deep water and a strong current. The other side near the grass is much shallower and looks very quiet. Crayfish love to hide under the rocks in both deep and shallow areas. Alright, let us get to work and prep our very first trap cage for today. We need to make sure the bait inside is smelling strong to attract them. Let us carefully lower the first cage into the deep water right here. Make sure it sits firmly on the riverbed so it does not wash away. Now let us move a bit further down the riverbank to find the next spot. There is a very nice and steady flow of water coming out of this corner. This looks like an ideal hiding spot for the bigger ones to hunt at night. Let us drop our second trap cage right into this running water. We have brought a lot of equipment with us for this trip. In total, we are going to set 9 heavy-duty cages across this river. It takes a lot of patience and hard work to find the perfect spots, but it is always worth the effort when you see the results the next day. We have finally finished placing all 9 traps in the best positions. The sun is starting to go down, so we must leave them overnight. We will come back tomorrow morning very early to check on our luck. I am feeling very confident that tomorrow is going to be a huge success. Imagine how much money we can make if all these 9 cages are full. Let us head back home now, get some rest, and wait for tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is a brand new day, and we are back at the river. I could barely sleep last night because I was so excited about our traps. The morning air is a bit chilly, but we are ready to see our harvest. Let us walk down carefully because the morning dew has made the grass slippery. We are approaching our first trap cage near the water outlet now. I can see the rope floating on the surface. Let us pull it up. Can you guess what is waiting for us inside this first cage? Wow, look at that. We already have a great start right away. There are definitely some heavy movements inside the mesh. I did not even notice this big one sitting quietly in the corner earlier. Oh, hold on a second. Look what else got trapped inside with them. There are 2 large green frogs sitting right at the bottom of the cage. Do not worry, we are not going to hurt them or keep them. Let us gently open the cage and release these 2 frogs back into nature. They are very good for the environment because they catch harmful pests. There it goes. Look at that big frog jumping straight back into the water. Now let us focus back on our main catch and empty the first trap. This is a fantastic start, but we still have 8 more cages to go. Let us move quickly to the second cage further down the bank. Hurry up a little bit because the tide might change soon. Be very careful with your hands. There is something moving on your left side. Those sharp claws can give a very painful pinch if you are not paying attention. Let us pull up the third cage now. This one feels much heavier. Oh my goodness, look at the amount of crayfish packed inside this one. Come over here and look at this amazing sight right now. This is absolutely massive. The cage is completely bursting with life. Just look how many high-quality crayfish we have managed to pull out from the river today. Let us be very careful and empty them all into our big storage bucket one by one. This particular cage has a slightly less amount compared to the third one we just lifted. But if you look at the total result overall, it is still an absolutely amazing harvest for us. Look at these beautiful water lilies blooming all around the quiet riverbank. When we came here yesterday, they were fully blooming. Make sure to throw them straight into the center of the bucket. Watch out for that highly active one over there. Look at the size of its massive, sharp claws. It is trying its best to run away and crawl out, but it cannot escape from this deep bucket. We really need to watch our step while walking. This mud path is extremely wet and slippery. Wow, looking at the full bucket now. We were too busy with work in the morning, but coming in the afternoon turned out to be a huge blessing. The sky is getting dark now, The sun is going down. And hurry back home to our house before the rain starts. Look at the amazing premium, quality, and the big size of these crayfish. Placed on the table. Now we must start the proper sorting process so we can prepare them to sell at the market. We will separate the extra large ones from the small ones to sell them at a very high price. This has turned out to be an incredibly successful, profitable, and rewarding day for us. Thank you so much to everyone for watching our video.